Protect yourself and others by printing magnetic Masks Required Signage using MEDIAMAG LASER printable magnetic sheets. Mask signage is very important when people need to maintain a social distance from others, such as supermarkets, stores, factories, while using public transportation, at work, warehouse, hospitals, and more. Easiest way to convey your message is to print a laser printable magnetic sheet. You can customize your message and print with OKI Laser Toner Printer or other brands. You can cut using a scissor, roll cutter, or any flatbed cutter. MEDIAMAG Laser printable magnetic sheet sticks to any iron surface. It has a strong magnet that holds the sign securely to your commercial steel doors and provide important safety messaging to your employees as they enter and exit work areas. Masks Required Signage can provide a highly effective visual prompt to your customers, employees, and others. What are you waiting for? Start now and print face mask required sign to remind employees, visitors, or customers to safely wear a face mask before entering your facility. Use MEDIAMAG Laser printable magnetic sheet. For more information, visit our website at www.deckergraph.com.